Okay guys, so we're currently looking at the new season 3 battle pass and Cold War and Warzone. So let's go. This is the season 3 update. Cold War and Warzone, let's go. Okay, clickety clickety clack. Oh yo, there's no like cinematics, nothing, bro. Game is trash. But yeah, we're actually gonna be taking a look at the new season 3 battle pass skins or whatever, the max. Let's go straight to the max, bro. There it is, the PPSH. Come on. PPSH, bro. That's about to be fire. Yo, everyone that was hating on my my PPSH video, bro, yo, it's about to be the exact same thing, bro. I was 100% correct, bro. And we have the Car 98K or the Swiss K31. This. Yeah, I'm going straight to the maxed out. Let me see what I can unlock. So basically, I need like 200 card points until I can like unlock the battle pass. So I'm probably gonna play the game, and then I'm gonna have to redeem it on my my PlayStation 4. So, yo, this looks insane. Wow. As you guys can see, this is the max, the tier 100 skin, the maxed out battle pass. So as soon as you guys max out the battle pass, it's what you guys can unlock. Yo, the sniper looks insane, bro. What? Okay, let's have a look at it. What's up with it? Yeah, it looks pretty insane. It looks kind of like COD Mobile, to be honest. Yeah, it looks like COD Mobile. COD Mobile. COD Mobile. COD Mobile. Oh. The loud pipe. Ultra, so that's a reactive. Blow off some exhaust with a loud pipe reactive SMG. Note, this blueprint evolves as you get kills. That's a PPSH, a new PPSH DLC weapon in Cold War and Warzone. Dude, can you guys imagine? Everyone's gonna be using the PPSH right now. So for the tier 1, you guys are gonna, like, as soon as you guys buy the battle pass, you guys are gonna get these rewards, instant rewards. You guys can see, what is this? Disruptor raid skin, legendary skin. Okay, the stinger. Oh ho ho. Then you guys gotta watch. I don't really care about the watch, to be honest. Yo, it really is snow, bro. Like, it's really a snow theme. Like, that's kind of weird. As you can see, the anodized, the carbon. This is the new vehicle, like the derby racer. Looks pretty lit. You guys can see double XP card points, the breakpoint Beck skin, card points, a sticker, double XP, the battleship reticle looks pretty lit. The PPSH is gonna be available at tier 15. So if you guys reach the tier 50, yo, imagine if they had the sniper rifle at tier 15, huh? That no one would have wanna grind for it, bro. Like, because then the PPSH would have been a tier 30. So the O snap card points, the field infantry. What is this? Load. Can you load up? Wow, the AK-74. Double tap finishing move. The double tap finishing move. Okay, the battle tested park skin, pretty lit. The Vex Lord, the XM4, yo, the XM4, that's pretty nice. 45 minutes double weapon XP, card points, the QBZ, the Damascus Elite. So yeah guys, this is the new battle pass, season 3 battle pass. New Cold War Warzone update, the weapon XP, the new vehicle. Yo, that's crazy. Then the trench fighter, the glided rose, the gilded rose, whatever you guys want to call it, the shotgun, the reticle, the central reticle, the double XP, the security detail, the Swiss K31 DLC weapon in Cold War Warzone. There it is. So these are all the new season 3 DLC weapons. So I'm probably gonna show you guys the operators after this. Card points. What is this? A Stormbringer, calling card, the Snow Tracker, the Rat Tail. Looks pretty okay. I'm pretty sure you guys don't care about these ugly blueprints. But like no one cares about those ugly blueprints. So the Rock On. Yeah, looks pretty okay. The Factory Stainless. Looks pretty clean, to be honest. So the DMR 14, right? Yep, DMR 14. Let's go. The Afterburn Vehicle Skin. I don't even know the encroachment. Hot points. The Forsaken Treaty. That's for the Stoner. The MG. Yeah, MG. 1 hour double XP. The mixtape. What is this? Don't have I still don't hear anything, bro. Okay. The Go Getter. Let's record this video real quick. The Go Getter for the Farah. Is that it? Yo, that looks so much sick, so much better than the season 2 tier 100. The Tri Corner. Reticle card points. Reactor Leak. Stronghold. M16. Come on, game load. The Rattler blueprint for the M16. The Hidden Code. Double XP token. The Crystal Skull. Snow that. Can you load, game? Come on. Like, this is actually leak. The Slow that blueprint. Card points. Double weapon XP. Fragile bomb. The Elegant. Come on, game. The Elegant Alloy blueprint. Blank Slate. Yo, I kind of want to go in a custom game, bro. Come. Hitbox Reticle. Ascender Watch. Double XP token. The Glow Catalyst. The Kaboom calling card. Let me see what this looks like. What this looks like. Looks pretty insane. Card points. The Mind Rod. Double weapon XP. Flying Saucer Charm. The Pathfinder. Yo, these names kind of look familiar. The Space Probe. So the AK-47. Yeah, that's what the AK-47. Okay, the new mixtape. Double XP token, card points. Tundra Hunter. The Roman Opulence. Yo, they about to buff the MP5 in season 3. The MP5 meta is about to become alive in season 3. Radiance Melting. Double weapon XP token. The Radiance Undone. The Rally Cry. Is look at the Big Game Hunter blueprint. That's for the 50 cal. Card points. Double XP token. The Megaton Bomb. Fast leak. It actually got leaked. Pretty sick. Fast leak blueprint. Let's go. The Toxic Bite. Double weapon XP. The Inner Fire Reticle. The DRAB Beauty blueprint for the pistol. What is this? The Damages? Possibly. The Violent Nature. Card points. Firefighter calling card. Doomsday Watch. Another mixtape. The PPSH Loud Pipe. The new PPSH Loud Pipe weapon blueprint. Double XP. The Conqueror's Helm. Card points. White Queen. This is the tier 100, the season 3 tier 100 skin in Cold War and Warzone. There it is. The White Queen looks pretty sick. The tier 100 Roman standard. for the Swiss 31. Yep. And finally we have the Fortress Vehicle skin, legendary skin. So there you guys go. And then the season 3 emblem. So yeah, that's gonna be it. And so I can show you guys the operators. And these are the new operators in Cold War and Warzone: Antonov, Great, and Knight. Yeah, there you guys go. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like on the video, comment below, subscribe, and yeah, I'm out. Peace.